How's it? So it's 6 o'clock in the morning. We're just getting ready to head up, get breakfast and do a game drive. Hopefully see the big four. They don't have the big five here as the rhinos don't live here anymore due to poaching and all the wars that happened over the last couple years in Uganda. Then we will be staying out in the range and going on a boat safari as well. Just packing up here, getting all our stuff ready.
Bomb sat.
Should be quite good. Right, we'll catch you out there.
How's it, matey?
Oh, BT.
Hey, what's cracking, BT?
Midnight studios, fucking wrong, got my wrist right. Break right, but take a spray, yeah, you put the rest of you on ice, nice. Price on your baby mama had no lights, Christ. Shout tear on the Gucci knit, out the cabana shooting two Uzis on some movie shit. Who we hit? Work tilapia. You ever had butterflies into a?
Okay, so we are here. Let me see. Okay, we're here in the Queen Elizabeth National Park. And on the way in already we've seen a bull elephant, a young one, but just on the side of the road foraging. It was absolutely incredible. We were probably 10-15 meters away, just literally on the side of the road. Can't believe it. We're just checking in now to the park, saying we're here, who we are, all that kind of stuff. Hopefully it should be an amazing day.
Quite cool. Quite cool.
Yeah, you're welcome to Queen Elizabeth National Park. Yeah,
Thank
how
you.
was your night?
Yeah.
Okay, you guys
Awesome,
enjoy.
awesome.
Enjoy.
Thank you very much. Okay, so we're just here in the national park checking in, as I said earlier, and one of the guys who works here came over and told us about this initiative that they have where they give back to the communities to help try and protect all the wildlife. So there's two different maps here. One is all of Uganda and then one is of the Queen Elizabeth National Park. And basically it's just an in-depth map about all the information that you need, the paths, everything like that. And when you purchase one of these, the money is used and goes directly back into the communities and for conservation. Brilliant initiative and happy to help out.
Locked up, my nigga back the whole round me down. He fucked my stuff, 30 days worthy praise. Went to sleep late, got an early grave. Only met my plug twice, but I get them shits every time. Met Gala, I rock a heavy shine. Mine's gon' collect the Hebrews. He on the cat reading Hebrews. I'm in my cell eating seafood. Big Gates on the Hermes.
So we have just stopped here. As you can see, there is a mud bath of hippos with some water buffalo in the back, and we recently passed some elephants as well in the bush. This is insane.
Pistol whip the nigga left his whole head twisted. Pistol the finest grape, life is great. Life is great. If they kick down the door, hit the fire escape. Wait, you done heard dope before. But this that new batch. With the one time I get for more.
So we've taken a small little pit stop here beside one of the crater lakes where they actually collect salt. And we're having what they call a Rolex. Well, Dusty's having a Rolex, I'm having a vegetable Rolex. So it's egg, tomato, onion, then wrapped in like a chapati kind of like.
We're having what's called a Rolex. Can you explain what it is?
The Ugandan Rolex is it's made of a chapati, naan-like a baked chapati, and then you get a plain omelette. It might be a plain omelette or would be like a Spanish omelette.
Yeah.
And then you wrap the omelette with the chapati.
So
And
yummy.
then it gets to be a Rolex.
The Rolex.
Yeah.
So we've had our lunch and we're making our way back to the park. The rains have begun, which is fine. Just keeping an eye out for some more animals. So we've seen elephants from this morning very close, but it was quite dark, and from a distance. A lot of water buffalo and hippos. So a lot of like antelope type water bucks, cabs. So we're just keeping an eye out now for a leopard maybe, and hopefully maybe we can get closer to some elephants as well. But we've got the feed up and we're enjoying it. Okay. James, what are we up to, lad?
Just about to take a tour on the water. Come along and you'll see.
Sunbird and the king.
Some crocs and hippos.
Long ago, long ago, long ago. Would you be that dream? Would you be?
James and I have had an amazing day, as we've said a million times already today, but it's gotten a whole lot better. We are here in the hotel in the what's the name of the hotel? Park View Safari Lodge. We're here in Park View Safari Lodge. We had our swim, we're having a beer, and just down here, right in front of the hotel, is about 4 elephants just making their way through the forest, and we're trying to get photos of them, and it's just absolutely amazing. Just an incredible way to top off the day. Cheers. Thank you. Cheers.
Cheers.